don't see the vision. All my ops, they miss no hitting. She suck dick, can't do no kissing. Wake up and get straight to business. I like to spend time when I'm in it. She come every time that I hit her. She loving the way that I'm living. Lately I've been feeling crazy, and they saying that they love me, but I'm feeling like they hate me, cause I'm having more. Don't check the price when I'm in store. Talk crazy behind my back, that's just some shit I can't ignore. I love.
What's good, YouTube, man? Hey, finna start this YouTube content. My homies been on my ass, man. They been telling me I need to drop POVs, daily vlogs with my comments. So if y'all already know me, I'm 1440 Lando. If you don't, same thing, man. I'm finna reveal my Pontiac GT. It's an 09. Finna show y'all cosmetics, performance, everything I did, the way I built it. Y'all could probably, you know, copy me if y'all want to build y'all G8, man. But here it go. Start y'all off with the cosmetics first. I did, first of all, this car was blue when I got it. The original color is silver though. But the previous owner, they had it wrapped blue. I wasn't really feeling the blue, so I did a full gloss black metallic, orange holding decals. If y'all know what this is, man, this car is Australian. This is Australian car, so back in Australia, I guess it was called a holding or some shit like that. So don't mind my tires, they super bald. I've been acting bad. I got the F1 Eagles on here, 285s in the back. I got like 255 in the front. Got my calipers painted orange with the Brembo sticker on there. These are the whole ZZP kit front and rear. I got the Maverick Man tail lights. Got a custom license plate. 4.5 inch dual tips. I got the GXP diffuser. What else? This car didn't come with a sunroof, so I had to install a sunroof. Had to. It got the stainless lines for the brakes. All side markers are tinted. They are LED too. Halo lights, halo headlights. Now I'm gonna pop the hood for y'all. Pop the hood. Suede headliner. I got my interior pieces wrapped orange as well. See a little dirty under there. Don't mind that either. But I got a K&N Intake. It's a full Kooks Exhaust on here. I cut the mufflers off though. I got those in the garage. 160 degree thermostat in here. What else? Long tube headers. Long tubes. I got, what's on here? The pedals extreme. I got them coilovers on here. BMR trailer arms. BMR trailer arms. I know I'm missing a whole lot of stuff right now, man. I'm missing a lot. But it's 485 horsepower with everything I got on it. I'ma leave my whole performance list in the description below. So if y'all want to build y'all G8 the way I build mine, y'all can build it the same way. Right now she's 485 to the wheels. She will be pushing way more than that. So I'm not done with it. LSA supercharger coming soon. This is just the beginning for me, man, for YouTube. So bear with me, man. If y'all can't hear me, everything gonna be totally different. I'm gonna upgrade my equipment, upgrade my camera, everything. So first video, man, this is just a review, a little walk around and everything. I'm gonna get y'all a little POV riding back. And yeah, man, shit, that's my little video for today. Don't mind that scraping either. That's the little plastic piece in the wheel. Don't mind that.
Chase a trick, chase a book. Young nigga just stacking them benches. Stay 10 every way on that mission. Never switch, never fold on a code. Real nigga gotta keep that pole. 40 inch stitch, make a nigga get low. Do the knocks better, high speed chase. 220 under dash, can't catch this game.